Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about Bezafibrate, a medication that can be a game changer for those struggling with high triglyceride and cholesterol levels. So what exactly is Bezafibrate? It's a medication, part of the fibrates group, commonly prescribed to help lower lipid levels in your blood when diet and exercise alone aren't enough. If you've been dealing with conditions like hyperlipidemia, this might be a medication your doctor would recommend. Now, how does bezafibrate work? It gets into action by activating a receptor in your body called PPAR-alpha. This activation then helps increase the breakdown of fats and reduces triglyceride production. Basically, it's helping your body handle those fats better. Let's talk dosage. It's crucial to follow your doctor's instructions on how much and how often you should be taking bezafibrate. Generally, treatment starts with a starting dose, and based on your response, it might be adjusted. Remember, consistency is key for its effectiveness. However, like all medications, bezafibrate does come with its set of potential side effects. You might experience things like an upset stomach, muscle aches, or changes in your liver function tests. It also has some precautions. If you have severe kidney issues or liver disease, this might not be the right medication. To wrap up, bezafibrate can be a powerful tool in managing your cholesterol and triglycerides, but it's not for everyone. Always have a thorough discussion with your doctor and follow their treatment plan. Stay informed and take control of your health. Thanks for watching and take care.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.